Capital Property Fund is a property fund with a focus on logistics premises.
Exactly. I only figured that out in more recent conversations here. They do emphasize that in their results. Remember, this one was the Pangbourne Properties portfolio, but then it got included in the same team that we were talking about earlier with Resilient. And those boys have done a fabulous job. These guys also own a bunch of additional units in their foreign adventures like Nepi and Rockcastle and the likes. So you put all of that together, it's going to be another good-looking share price.
Market cap here, 24 billion rand, a historic yield of 6.1. Evan.
It's the pricing isn't looking bad. Going forward, it's giving you 7% yield. That's 70 basis points better than the market as a whole. I'm a little bit concerned in that, not concerned, but management are doing the right things and recycling their portfolio, and they are looking to unwind a lot of their commercial or their office type buildings. And generally, you have to do that a little bit with a bit of dilution there. So I'm a bit concerned about the quality and the rate of earnings growth going forward. So I wouldn't be as hot on this, but there are some arrows in their quiver that they can give you some surprises. They've got a big industrial development in KZN, and if that comes through sooner than later, they can actually give you some nice earnings growth.
What about liquidity? Sorry, Paul, liquidity on the stock.
It's a pity that share chart is only more recent, but it's because they had a code change about a year or something ago. So
yes,
they became CPF and there was something else
from
before.
CPL to CPF.
Yeah.
It was the conversion from a PUT to a REIT.
Yeah.
And so, yes, it has changed.
We sort of messed us up in terms of what we're looking at. Just on that Durban thing, so what is that? Another logistics
Clearwood
property?
Clearwood. It would be on the potential by the new port in KZN.
Okay.
It is a massive industrial or logistics development. They don't like to use industrial because that can include manufacturing, and these guys have very consciously moved away from manufacturing in light with the struggling we're having locally and into logistics, which has really been prime in the South African context.
Just that last thing, the liquidity, is that...
No, liquidity is not an issue.
Not
These
an issue
these
at all.
top five stocks, we're in a new era in listed property where the top five are very easily tradable. And property can't be ignored because of lack of liquidity. These guys you can trade quite easily.
Hot or not, Paul?
Yeah, I'm going to go with hot on this one too.
Evan?
Not, unfortunately.
You're not hot.
I'm not.